Module 11. Feeding Habits of the Earthworm. Up to now, all the animals I have covered did not have complete digestive systems. Remember that phylum Cnidaria contained animals with a closed gut. Food entered the mouth, but there was no separate exit. As the earthworm moves through the soil, it takes in dirt using the muscles of its pharynx. Now, if it had an incomplete digestive tract, it would continue to fill up with dirt until it couldn't take in anymore. But it has a way to release extra materials. It first stores the dirt in a crop until it's ready to move it to the gizzard. Here, strong muscles constrict to grind up the soil and break up any plant bits or decaying organic material in it. All this organic material in the dirt is what the earthworm utilizes as food. The dirt passes through the intestine and out the anus. Any nutrients in the dirt are digested by enzymes in the intestine. Then, digested food is absorbed into the blood circulating around the intestinal walls. The nutrients then move along with the blood to feed the cells in the earthworm's body. Any waste products that the cells produce are collected in small organs called nephridia that behave just like kidneys. Nephridia are found in all of the segments of the earthworm's body, with the exception of the first 3 and the last 1. This is so they can collect all the wastes throughout the length of the worm. As they collect wastes, they release them out of the body through small holes in the skin called nephritiopores. Earthworms actually play an important part in the ecosystems in which they live. When they eat, they of course are getting nutrients to keep themselves alive. But by tunneling through the soil, eating it as they go, they break it up and create air pockets in it. This makes it easier for water and oxygen to get down into the soil where plant roots are. Additionally, as the earthworms eat, they usually travel in an up and down path, taking nutrient-rich soil on top and bringing it further down, plus taking mineral-rich soil below and bringing it to the top. This churning and aerating of the soil makes it much more fertile for plants to grow. Without the action of earthworms, minerals in the topsoil would eventually get used up by the plants growing there, while the minerals deep in the soil would never get to the top. And when the plants die, their remains would stay on the surface of the soil, keeping those nutrients from getting down to where plant roots grow. So earthworms perform a valuable service to the health of plants all over the world.